Australia Day, almost. Could be Australia Day if the vote goes the wrong way. Could be the last election this country ever sees. Pretty serious. As you can see, I'm a member of Australia One Party. In the electorate of Mallee, Victoria, we do not have a candidate running in the Mallee. Most of the other members of A1 have headed across to the Bendigo electorate to help out over there. I'm just going to the local polling booth to try and help rid ourselves of the local virus, which is the local member. Vote the majors last, so I'm going to try and do a little bit to help out there. I've never in my life used the terminology God help us. All I can say is if one of the majors get back in and have got control, God help us. Particularly if we're going to be handed over to the World Health Organization in a couple of days. Not good. But anyway, we'll see what happens. I'll catch you a bit later. All the best. Bye.
Oh,
Sophie,
yeah.
you're a #1 supporter in Dunolly?
Yeah.
Who we got here? We've got the Ann Webster impersonating the UAP. We've got the UAP. And we got Labor. Well, one of the local townspeople turned up to vote, and they wouldn't let him into the premises because he wouldn't use their hand poison.